Meaning of Edward Teller.
Edward Teller.
Edward Teller.
Edward Teller.
Edward Teller. Edward Teller was a Hungarian-American physicist who was best known for his role in the development of the hydrogen bomb, also known as the H-bomb. He made significant contributions to the fields of nuclear physics and theoretical physics and was a key figure in the Manhattan Project during World War II. Despite his scientific accomplishments, Teller was also controversial due to his staunch support of nuclear weapons and advocacy for the use of military force in various conflicts.